Introduce highlight features or overview summary for TERUNSOul Carplay screen for car. You can find wanted here, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with voice control. The CarPlay screen for car combines wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to easily access essential features like map navigation, calls, messages, and music while driving by simply connecting it to your phone. The voice assistant ensures hands-free control, allowing you to drive more safely. 4K dashcam and 1080p backup camera. Equipped with a 128 GB TF card for loop recording, capturing every moment on the road. The waterproof 1080p backup camera automatically displays the rear-view footage on the car tablet while reversing, making parking safer and easier. Note, the TF card is already installed in the device. 8.1-inch HD touchscreen and real-time GPS navigation. Enjoy real-time GPS navigation via Google Maps, Waze, Sigic, and more on the 8.1-inch portable large screen by connecting to the map apps on your phone, making driving easier. The 1600x600 resolution offers higher detail and clarity, enhancing your visual experience while driving. 4 audio output modes. The CarPlay screen supports Bluetooth audio, built-in speaker, FM radio, and AUX, providing a better auditory experience. Phone mirroring. Supports wireless mirror link for both Android and iOS devices. Sync certain video apps and play videos from YouTube, TikTok, and more. 2 mounting methods. The plug-and-play Android Auto screen for car comes with a retractable suction cup mount and a self-adhesive bracket, allowing for easy installation on the dashboard or windshield, and making removal and installation hassle-free. Convenient mobile app operation. Equipped with a dedicated app, you can easily view recorded videos, manage files, and enjoy more convenient operation directly from your phone. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.